Welcome back to AI ProTech, where we break down the future of AI, one smart update at a time. If you're an educator, student, or just curious about how AI is entering our classrooms, this video is for you. This week, at the ISTE EdTech Conference, Google made a big move, announcing over 30 new AI-powered tools designed specifically for the education sector. And at the center of it all is none other than Gemini AI. Let's unpack what's coming. For starters, Google is launching a dedicated version of Gemini for education, now available for free to all Google Workspace for Education users. This includes powerful features like AI-assisted brainstorming, auto-generated lesson plans, personalized content for students. And yes, it even helps teachers tailor materials based on individual learning styles. Over the coming months, educators will also get access to Notebook LM, Google's AI research assistant. With this, teachers can create interactive study guides built directly from their own classroom content. But that's not all. Students can ask them questions, get concept explanations, and receive support, all within a safe, structured AI environment. Google is also introducing custom AI experts called GEMs. These are specialized versions of Gemini trained using classroom materials. In simple terms, Google is taking what students are already doing, using AI chatbots like ChatGPT, and redirecting that activity to a system teachers actually control. Teachers can use it to create lessons and explainers, while students can build book reports and presentations. All with collaborative AI support. The updates don't stop there. And misuse. Google is betting on responsible AI to enhance, not replace, real teaching. Google's AI-powered video creation tool, Google Vids, is now expanding to more users. Better control over AI access, security, and privacy. Here at AI ProTech, we keep you ahead of the curve on everything happening in tech and AI. They're also adding smarter classroom tools, like live AI reading buddies through read-along, detailed student progress analytics. And with new class tools, teachers can push content directly to student screens via Google Classroom, be it slides, quizzes, or videos, all while restricting browsing to keep kids focused. So what's the big picture? While many educators are still figuring out how to handle AI in the classroom, especially when it comes to plagiarism, this is about making education more personal, more interactive, and yes, more AI-powered. If you found this update valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.